everyone, myself Dr. Sagar Push, ADMO Indian Railways. I welcome you all on our channel Doctor's Desk. So all of you know the exam date has come. So I thought why not I will tell you the depth of competition in UPSC CMS. So in this video I'll tell you the competition in UPSC CMS and the cutoff for last few years. And I updated my last video related to this. So you'll get to know the recent competition in UPSC CMS and the cutoff of last few years. So let's see now. So in this video, I will tell you about the depth of the competition and cutoff of last few years. So let's see. So in this slide, you will get to know about the competition in UPSC CMS. So if you'll see, I already uploaded a video for this, and I'm updating that video for the 2020-21. So if you'll see the total application and candidate appear, the data for which has not been released by the UPSC CMS till now. And the vacancy we'll see in 2021 for the category 1 and category 2 means in 2021 they have divided the cadres in two categories. Category 1, which is for the CGHS, and for the category 2, rest of the cadres like railways, ordnance factories, and Delhi Municipal Corporation and all. The overall the vacancy was 560, and for which the people have given the CBT exam. After that the result were declared for, and people have been called for interviewed. Around 1554 people have been called for interview into the 2020-21. So if we compare the cutoff mark of the last few years of the CBT, that is out of 500 marks. If you'll see that, so you can see the drastic change in cutoff of 2020 as compared to other years for all the categories, as day by day the seats of MBBS is increasing, due to which competition in this exam is also increasing. Nowadays everyone want a permanent job that is stable life. In upcoming videos I am gonna tell about the how much competition is also increasing in state medical services. So you have to wait for that videos. So if you'll see the 2020 cutoff, for the general category, you can see from 2019 the cutoff was out of 500 is 224, sorry. But if you'll see in 2020 it increased to 279, and for the category 2 also it remains the 279. So you can see the how much is drastically increased. If you'll see the other years cutoff, it remains the same from upcoming years. But if you'll see in 2020 it increased suddenly. And for OBC also you can see the cutoff how much it increased. For SC/ST you can also see the increase in cutoff. In 2019 is for 192, but in 2020 it was 251. So day by day the competition in increasing in UPSC CMS exam. So you need to work hard, and you need to clear about the topics which related to UPSC CMS exams. So I've already uploaded the important topics which was we reviewed last 5-year paper, and from which we have collected that important topics. So you can revise those topics again and again. Same you can see for the ST and all the categories of the exam, where the sudden drastic change in the cutoff as compared to the last few years. Similarly, this comparison of cutoff of final result, that is out of 600 marks, in this also you can see the same trend. Like if you'll see the same here in 2019 the cutoff final result was 306, but suddenly it increases to 365. If you see the other cutoffs, it remains in some same level, but in 2020 it suddenly increases to 365. You can see in OBC category also this was 268 in 2019, but sudden increases to 327. So if you'll see for this also, like EWS also, if you'll see in 2019 the cutoff was 220 out of 600, but sudden increase to 100 marks to more approximately 100 marks to 310. So you can see all these cutoffs, and after seeing all these cutoffs and the competition in UPSC, you'll get to know the depth of how much you have to work hard, and you'll get to know the depth of competition in UPSC CMS, and for according to that only you have to prepare for the exam. So hope it will help you in achieving your goals. In upcoming videos I'm gonna tell you about state medical services of the various state, which will gonna help you also. Hope you like this video, and kindly like, follow, and subscribe our channel to know more about the medical services. So thank you and thanks a lot.